morning, students. Previously, we have learnt about sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In this chapter, we have learnt about the parts of the flower, sporogenesis, microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, pollination. We have learnt previously. Now, today, we discuss about artificial hybridization. Artificial hybridization means hybridization takes place for crop improvement program by human being. This artificial hybridization is achieved by emasculation and bagging techniques. Emasculation means this is the process to remove anthers from the flower buds before the anther dioecious, and such emasculated bisexual flowers are bagged or covered by a bag made up of buttered paper to prevent unwanted pollination. So, this process is known as bagging. When stigma attains receptivity, the desired mature pollen grains are collected and dusted on the unbagged stigma. When we open the bag of the stigma and then dusted the collected pollen grains, and again this flower, stigma, rebagged and allow fruits development. But if the flower is unisexual, then there is no need of emasculation. Only female flower buds are bagged up to the stigma becomes receptive. When stigma becomes mature, the pollination with the desired pollen grains is carried out and the flowers again rebagged to allow them up to fruit development. So this is the process of artificial hybridization. Now, the double fertilization. Double fertilization means two fertilization in an ovule, entering the pollen tube to the micropilot end of ovule. This pollen tube releases two male gametes into the cytoplasm of the synergids, in which one male gamete, fuses with the nucleus of egg cell, means syngamy, and forms diploid zygote. The next male gamete fuses with two nuclei of central cell or secondary cell to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus or cell, PEN or PEC. This is the triple fusion. Therefore, there are two types of fusion. One is syngamy and second is triple fusion. This two type of fertilization in an embryo set terms as double fertilization. The zygote develops into an embryo. Primary endosperm cell, PEC, develops into the endosperm, ovule into seed, and ovary into fruits, and the rest other parts may be perished. This is all about the double fertilization.